Molly's Pizzazz. So just for a little update, I am almost 10 now, and things have pretty much really changed in my life. So I'm going on vacation tomorrow, actually, after school, and I thought I would show you the stuff and just the fidgets that I'm bringing. So my first fidget is this octopus poppet that you can push down the head. Get a good view of that. You can push down the head like this. And you can also push the bubbles on the base of it. That's one that I'm actually bringing. So that's the first one. So this is my second one. I bought this a couple weeks ago. It's just kind of simple. It's just like a stress ball, and it has pink stripes that kind of wore off, but it's very, very soft. It really eases me. This is my other stress ball, just like this one. It's just very old and broken, but it still works. It's color changing, so. So this is my cupcake poppet that I got. I also should probably say 3 or 4 weeks ago, about a month ago maybe. This one, actually, there's another one that came in the 2-pack, but this one I had to get a new one because my dog destroyed Winston. He destroyed one of these. So yeah, this is my cupcake poppet. And this is the other poppet that came in the set. It's a boba poppet, and this is actually the one that my dog destroyed. So this is just the updated new version of it. I had an old one, which was actually that was my first poppet. So this is called a dimple. I got it. Actually, Winston destroyed my first dimple, and as you see, he got into my second one. But it still works, and it's still very durable dimple. And yeah, that's my dimple. So this actually is one of my favorite fidgets. It's actually a fidget spinner poppet. Maybe you can zoom in on that. This is it's half poppet, half fidget spinner. This is one I'm bringing on my trip. You can also spin it. It's also a fidget spinner too. This is actually, I got this for a goodie bag. Came in one of the goodie bags at my friend's birthday party, and it's like a squishy for a baby bottle. It smells like strawberries. It smells really good. And yeah, that's my squishy baby ball. So this is my last one. I got this popsicle dimple also at the same time I got this stress ball, but I got it at the paper store, and this is actually a simple dimple. It's different than a regular one. The regular one has more than 2, but this one's a simple. Thanks for watching, and those were all my fidgets that I showed you. They're not a lot, but I sure do have a lot for me. And thanks for watching. Bye! Molly's Pizzazz! Now for the bloopers. So this is my... Ow! What the heck?
Molly.
What? Oh. Molly's Pizzazz.